How to remove white background in Photoshop. Hey there Photoshop enthusiasts! Need to remove a white background from an image for a transparent or different background? Let's explore how to do that using Photoshop. Let's dive in. Start by opening the image with the white background in Photoshop. Go to File, then Open and select the image file from your computer. In the Photoshop toolbar, select the Magic Wand tool. It looks like a wand with a star icon. Click on the white background of the image using the Magic Wand tool. This will select the white area. If necessary, refine the selection by adjusting the tolerance option in the Magic Wand tool settings. Increase the tolerance to select more shades of white. Once the white background is selected, go to Select, then Inverse to invert the selection. Now the main subject of the image will be selected instead of the background. Press the Delete key on your keyboard to delete the selected white background. You'll notice that the background becomes transparent. After deleting the white background, deselect the image by going to Select, Deselect, or by pressing Ctrl+D. To preserve the transparency, save the image as a PNG file. Go to File, Save As, and choose PNG as the file format. In the PNG Save Settings dialog box, ensure that the transparency option is checked. This will maintain the transparent background. Finally, click on the Save button to save the image with the removed white background as a PNG file. Voila! You've successfully removed a white background from an image using Photoshop, leaving it with a transparent background. This technique is handy for creating graphics, overlays, and more. Keep experimenting with different tools, and happy editing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.